stick of bubble gum. Please help me. Please. What's up, everybody? It is Donut Daily back here with another video. Today, yes, we got a baseball pack from 1987, and today is 2022. If I calculate right, 35 years ago. This is from 35 years ago. Bruh. I can't believe I'm opening this right now. So let's read. Win a trip to 1988 spring training. A bit expired for that. But today I'm going to be eating the gum in here too. I can feel it. I can't believe I'm doing this. My head's pounding. 17 bubble gum cards. 1 stick bubble gum. Okay. So let's open this, guys. Okay. We have this pack. Let's go to the back. Whoa. What? Oh my god, the gum just fell out onto my lap. The gum is on my lap. Oh my god, let me grab it. Bro, look at that. That's 35-year-old gum. I'm gonna eat that at the end of today's video. If you guys stick around, I will eat this. Okay. So, this is what we got. This is what we got. Look at this. My dad's here. Look at this, Father. Look at this.
I know, it's old.
Okay. Okay, I flipped the camera around. Yeah, got the bling bling on. Sheesh. Okay, gonna be looking up these cards. Are they like... Some of them are... Bro. Why are half of them side... Like... Dad. Wait, my dad probably... Why are half of them sideways? Look. Like backwards. Okay, so... Let's see. Let's see, what do we get? What do we get? Andrew Thoron. He is on... Bro, what team is this? He played in Babe Ruth World Series inside 1995. No, okay. What do we have here? We have Tiger Leaders. Got the Tiger Leaders, and let's read about them. They're the 1986 leaders. And yeah, just says a bit about them. Okay, who do we have here? Rick Stuckliffle. Whoever that is. Sorry, I do not know any of my 35-year-old baseball players, I guess. From Rick's hobbies include playing pool and basketball. He and his wife and parents are of one child, Shelby. You read that yourself. It's probably backwards. Or no, it's upside down. It's upside down. You can read that if you want. Probably backwards. I don't know why. Steve Lake. See? Steve Lake. Look at the back. Let's read the back. Steve graduated from Lock Circle High School. His wife and his parents of 2 children. His parents were... Okay, I'm going to not read the backs anymore because we don't have lots of time, but Bo Jackson. Future Stars. Is that good? Don't know. Ken Landrux. Dodgers player. Ken Landro. Okay. Jenny Walter. He's on the... These are all old teams, I think. I don't know. Just, you could see the team. I don't know. Okay. Another old one. Andres Thomas. Let's go, my old man. Not that old in this picture, but got the cup next to him. Here's his team. Okay. We got Spring Fever Basketball. Win a trip to Ngulungulu. No pictures necessary. Did I win?
2,000 years later.
No, I did not win.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Worthless. Worthless. Come on. Come on. Okay. Got Chris Brown, Brian O. Lakers, Brian Sumhill, Jim Morrison. Got Bro. Mookie Wilson. Why does that sound like Mookie Betts' kid? No, that's Mookie Betts' father. Is that his name? I don't know. Jamie Quirk. Ken Oberkfell. Ken Oberkfell. Mike Fitzgerald. And Diane Posley. And one more, last one. The last one of the day. Bob Kenny. Nice. So let's see. Is there any one of these that stand out from each other? Let me put them in a line. Guys, okay, yeah, this is not my house. We're in a hotel. Yeah.
What are you doing?
What?
I don't know what your mom's doing.
I'm recording. Okay, we have all of these. This one, Future Stars. Sounds cool. And this one has a little trophy. That's different. That's it. Yeah. And also with one more, Tigers Leaders. Because those aren't, it's not a person, it's like the leaders. So yeah, now, the moment you've been waiting for. The death season. Okay guys, we're gonna clean these up. If you guys know, if any of these are rare, tell me. So the comment section, maybe if my comment section is off, just comment inside of a different video which has the comment section on. And I will be very happy that you told me that. Okay, got our character? Now, I'm just gonna take a bite out of it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's dissolving in my mouth. It's like it's dissolving in my mouth. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. Yep. Do not do that. Taste terrible. First, just thick, then it dissolves in your mouth. Dissolving taste. Feels like the devil. It feels like the devil stabbing you in the back. Yep. tasted terrible, guys. Well, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I see you guys inside the next video. See you guys inside the next video. Yep. Bye.